the axle set from the bottom bracket. For the tool preparation, electric wrench, bottom bracket socket, reamer, adjustable wrench, Allen key, and crank puller. Unscrew the left crank by using M8 Allen key. Screw in the crank puller and slightly tighten. Screw in the pulling part to disassemble the crank. Unscrew the right crank by using M8 Allen key. Screw in the crank puller and slightly tighten. Screw in the pulling part to disassemble the crank. Use electric wrench with bottom bracket socket to remove the right side bottom bracket. The unscrew will be clockwise. Then remove the left side of the bottom bracket. The unscrew will be anti-clockwise. Please check if the bottom bracket is empty and clear. Try to put the motor into the bottom bracket for a test, to see if the motor can be assembled smoothly. If the motor is stuck in the bottom bracket, you can clear the bottom bracket by using reamer. Then the motor can be put in smoothly. The accessory we'll need will be crankset, motor, bottom bracket washers, stiffening plate screw, and stiffening plate washer, bottom bracket lock nut, fixing plug screw, magnet, and speed detect sensor. Tool we need will be wrench, Allen key set, bottom bracket nut wrench, cutter, cable tie. Put the motor into the bottom bracket. Rotate the motor to check if the motor touches the chainstay. If motor touches the chainstay, put the bottom bracket washer on the motor to avoid the chainstay. Before we assemble the stiffening plate, we should pre-attach the screws and washer. Please notice that the door screw holes will be towards the right side of the bottom bracket. Then we can assemble the stiffening plate on the motor, but don't lock to the end. Please add the correct amount of washer for the screws. While locking the stiffening plate, put the screws on, but don't lock to the end. Put the bottom bracket lock nut on, but don't lock to the end. Assemble the fixing plug, but do not lock to the end. Turn the motor towards down tube. Tighten the stiffening nut. Tighten the screws by the order of the video shows. Assemble the left crank by using M8 Allen key. Assemble the right crank by using M8 Allen key. Use cable tie to lock the speed detect sensor on the chainstay. Screw the magnet on the spoke. Adjust the flat side of the magnet to face with the arrow on the sensor. The accessory will be display, remote, and throttle. The tool we will need is Allen key set. Take out the screws on the display by using M3 Allen key. Needle knot of the washer in the display is according to the diameter of your handlebar. Place the display on the handlebar. Adjust the position. Lock the display by using M3 Allen key. Take out the screws on the remote by using M2 Allen key. Put the remote on the left side of the handlebar. Connect the remote and display. Take off the right side of the grip. Loose the screw of the throttle by using M2.5 Allen key. Put the throttle on the right hand side of the handlebar. Take off the middle rubber plug behind the display and make sure that the arrow side is facing up while plugging in the socket. Install your battery. Connect the speed detect sensor. Connect the display. Connect the battery. Turn the system on. Test the display function. Activate the throttle to see if the motor runs and the speed shows on the display.